The Honey Run Historic Covered Bridge was built in 1886. Was built originally uncovered and eventually covered in 1901 to protect the timber frame. It is a rare example of a three-span Pratt truss covered bridge and was the very last of its kind in the entire United States until the 2018 Camp Fire destroyed it. This is all that was left for many years until funds were raised to rebuild it. Many think the bridge was rebuilt on all donations, but it turns out a couple $1 million was used from the Camp Fire Victim Trust along with fundraisers. This bridge was added to the Historic Register in 1988, but now as of today, it is brand new. A bridge to nowhere, as vehicles are no longer allowed due to a runaway pickup crash in the 1960s. A new steel bridge is just upstream from here for vehicles. There is a small park with some picnic tables and a little beach for people to hang out and enjoy the majestic beauty of Butte Creek Canyon and its new, old historic covered bridge. There is a strong smell of lumber and stain. There is no graffiti yet. No hearts with names carved into the wood. I would imagine the pancake breakfast fundraisers will still be held in the bridge to continue to raise funds to keep the bridge going, as it takes nearly $50,000 a year just for maintenance. Here you can see the sparkling clear water of the gold-bearing Butte Creek. Besides the abundant rattlesnakes, it is a fabulous place to swim and cool off during summer for everyone. Salmon are also a sight here during spawning seasons, and afterward can be quite stinky. The towering lava caps give a feeling of a mini Grand Canyon. Nature is abundant here, just a few miles out of Chico. Many of us locals have fond memories of the old bridge. I'm certain that is why it was rebuilt. Not that it is a functional bridge or that it actually goes anywhere. People just like to be near it and be reminded of times past and our amazing gold rush history here in Butte County. So, if you have not been here to see the new bridge, take the short and scenic drive down Honey Run Road. Pay the $5 parking fee to help maintain the bridge and park. Walk through the bridge, smell the new lumber, and be awestruck by the beauty of this amazing place. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more videos about all things amazing and historic in wonderful Northern California. Happy trails!